Hi there, Scott Powell with Smail Mercedes-Benz in Greensburg, Pennsylvania with another instructional video. This one is how to connect Android Auto to your car. Android Auto has become a very popular technology that Android users can use to project their phones up onto the screen in the car. Most cars today have them, and so does this Mercedes S560. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. First thing you want to do is connect your cable to the right connection in the car. You see that little icon right there? It looks like a couple of mobile devices. That's for smartphone integration. That is good for either Android or Apple products. Then you want to make sure that you've downloaded the Android Auto app into your phone. Then on the screen on your car, make sure you have found where to locate Android Auto in the car at all. Right over here, Android Auto. Bring that up. Then connect the phone to the car. And it should just connect together. And there we go. This phone right here is now connected to this car. Bring your navigation maps up and you are good to go. You can even activate on the steering wheel with voice control, bring up the Google Assistant and do it all by voice control. Quick and easy and very simple. One of the another cool technologies in a Mercedes-Benz. Again, my name is Scott Powell. Stop by and see us off Route 30 right here in Greensburg or online at smailmercedesbenz.com.